We are inviting everyone to come and join us on September 14, 2023.
It's a birthday, got a dream closet full of rainbow party clothes. Now we're show stopping.
Let us celebrate the 60th birthday party of Osang de Guzman. Party starts at 3 p.m. to be held in de Guzman's residence. And please wear your best Barbie outfit. So, see you there.
We got confetti going off on the runway, shining brighter than the candles on the KA. This how we do. This how we do.
Happy birthday, Ate Osang. May you have many more healthy, happy, and abundant birthday blessings to celebrate. Happy 60th. Welcome to the Senior Club and enjoy the senior moment, the senior benefits. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ate Osang! Happy birthday, Te! Wish namin ng good health. Na-miss namin kayong lahat. Sana ma-fulfill mo yung dream mo para sa buong amihan. Andito lang kami, magpipray palagi na maging successful po ang lahat. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ate Osang. Wish you all the best. Miss you.
Ingat kayo!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ate Osang. We love you. And God bless. More blessings. Good health.
Hello, this is Usang. Alam mo naman, yun ako. Happy birthday. Katulad ng sinabi ni Lucy, yeah, always good health, kasama yung pamilya. Lahat ng buong pamilya niyo po. Sana po mahaba pa yung pagsasamahan natin habang andito po ako sa Pinas. Sana rin po, ayun lang po, lagi pong good health po. Miss Osang, and many more birthday to come. Yun lang po. Thank you.
Birthday, ate. Sana maging masaya ka ngayong birthday mo. Alam mo naman, idol na idol kita, di ba? Sana marami pang birthday ang dumating sa'yo. Wow, isinasama kita sa mga pray ko na, alam mo na, para sa akin lang yun. Sana maging good health ka, lahat na family mo. God bless sa'yo, Ate Osang. Mahal na mahal kita. I love you.
Happy birthday uli. Sana hindi ito ang una at huli kasi masaya pag ikaw ang nagbe-birthday. Sana wag na matapos ito. At sana sa bandang huli, alam mo na, tayo pa rin. Salamat, ate.
Una sa lahat, Ate Osang, happy birthday. So, wish ko lang po sa iyo, Ate Osang, always good health at saka buong family mo. Kung ano po yung at more birthday to come. Kung ano po yung goal mo sa buhay, sana po matupad mo yung lahat. Ate Osang, andito lang po kami. Sumusuporta sa iyo. Mahal na mahal ka namin, Ate Osang. God bless you at mabuhay po. Ikaw ang hanggang gusto mo po. Pati po mo. God bless you, Ate Osang. I love you. Happy birthday ulit, Ate Osang.
Happy birthday to our mother, to our sister, lalo na po bilang aming Ate Osang. Happy 60th birthday. Good health. Naway bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng kalakasan ng katawan. Alam kong marami kang minimiti sa buhay. Naway lahat yun ay maging matupad lahat ng mga wish mo, ate. Wala kaming hangad kundi kabutihan sa iyo at lagi kami nandito nakasuporta sa iyo. Mahal ka namin dahil ikaw ang naging nanay namin, ate namin, kaibigan namin. Happy birthday, ate. Good luck and more blessings to come para sa iyo at sa pamilya mo. God bless po.
Hi, Osang. Happy birthday. Maligayang kaarawan talaga sa iyo at natutuwa ako at inabot mo itong 60 years old. Welcome to Senior World and more blessings and happiness. Happy birthday again, Osang.
Hi Lola, happy birthday. I hope you have a great day today and that the years ahead of you is full of many blessings. I wish I could be in the Philippines right now, spending it with you. And I hope to see you soon. I love you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Lola. I wish you a very long and healthy life. I love you and I miss you. Can't wait to see you soon.
Happy birthday, sister! Ang wish ko lang, good health, stay strong sister sa lahat ng mga pagsubok. Kaya mo yan. Dadaan lang yan. Sister, happy birthday, happy 60th birthday. Mag-ingat ka palagi sa araw-araw. Ingatan mo ang sarili mo. Huwag mong papabayaan ang beauty mo. Happy birthday, sister.